Puppet Script Deciphered Part 2. Let's look a little deeper at this. This is a photo of Steven Jackson and his so-called friend who looks like a family member. This looks like a family portrait, but it could be his friend, but it looks like it's a family member. You see the close resemblance, striking resemblance to Steven Jackson in this photo right here. Not as tall as Steven Jackson. Steven Jackson by the NBA is listed as 6'8". This guy looks like he's about 6'5", and looks like his brother. And then we can see this image here. They have the boxes over the officers, but we need to focus on this guy right here because that's clearly the same guy that was in that photo with Steven Jackson, because he's older now. That photo was older and time has passed and he looks older, but he looks the same. And then we see this image being shown here with this Corona bottle as a prop, and does not look like the same guy. And then we see another image of the rapper Big George, so-called, and clearly it's not the same guy. It's clear. And then we see another image with Steven Jackson and George Floyd, and this is a different guy. And we did the correlation with Floyd Mayweather, who offered to pay for the funeral, and George Floyd, and the connection with George Foreman, who were both involved with the Deontay Wilder fight. He even looks like a little bit like Deontay Wilder. And they came up during that event offering assistance to Wilder. We can see their first names being used for the psyop. You know, the correlation with Mike Tyson and Tyson Fury, so we're seeing a pattern, a similar pattern of the name, the first name and last name being used. You see Floyd offering to train Wilder, and we see the birth date of George Foreman is January the 10th. That is 9 days before the end of the Capricorn horoscope, and it's the date of the first full moon eclipse of the year. And Floyd Mayweather's birthday, February the 24th. And we know the correlation with the funeral for Kobe Bryant, February the 24th. And we see the $20 Andrew Jackson, Harriet Tubman being offered up to be placed on there, and we see Steven Jackson coming into the forefront of this. So the last name Jackson matches with the $20 bill that he was so-called trying to buy cigarettes, and we see Cigarettes After Sex, a group, taking their photo in black and white. We know that they use the term Lucy's, and we know that Lucy is short for Lucifer. And then we see the photo that is generating around the net of his sexual prowess, and he is an actor, a porn actor, and we see the chest tattoo that relates to the Baphomet, section of the Baphomet, the boule. And then we know that this goes back to the Super Bowl, the Blood Bowl. You see how all these are synced up together with predictive programming and a lot of corny things. See, when we're looking at the same thing and we're seeing the same thing, that's the only way we can be on the same page. You know, this is a team effort, it's a group effort, it is a collective. Man and woman, or many, yet they are one, because they all have the same creator. And you know, as we examine this evidence further, we can clearly see in this photo that the guy in the video and the images of the video is the same guy that's in the image with Steven Jackson, but this is not the same guy that they're advertising in the puppet show. This is not the same guy that we know with the banners and with the ribbons and with the narratives of I Can't Breathe, a remix lyrics of the Eric Garner track, I Can't Breathe, it's like, it should be clear, or it's going to become clear going forward, why this is so corny and repetitive, and why is it always coded? Because when you deal with computers have to follow a code. So the artificial intelligence, the smart dummies, see, it's the same thing. Artificial intelligence is not natural intelligence. It's fake intelligence. And when you start talking about fake intelligence, now we're getting into smartphones, which are AI. And if you're smart, that means that you have a good memory and you can remember things that may or may not be true. You can regurgitate narratives and you can download scripts, and it's like, that's an intelligent being is able to go further than that. You start talking about organic, natural intelligence, you have the ability to comprehend and to perform analysis and examinations, and then based upon your personality is where we start to get a more definitive uniqueness. And we can see these patterns, not unique. It's the same patterns over and over, the same numbers over and over. It's like, these people are following the script of a fucking computer, and it's like, it's going to become more clear because we have the evidence on the compound computer called the Beast, 666 Avenue, and it's time for us to become more aware of how we live in reality, which is nature, which is a foundation that is solid, and we are being bombarded with artificial simulations that they run on computers. We know Bill Gates ran a simulation 201 for the coronavirus, to where they simulated it on a computer, and now they're carrying it out in real life. And you can see this computer is starting to lose its grip because of the upgrade of the frequency. It's not able to manipulate the codes the way it used to, because 2020 vision is starting to become clear.